Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful scooty. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Here I am drawing the scooty in a very easy way. I completed to draw the picture. Let's color it. Here I am using brush pen color. First one I am using red color. Now I am using yellow color. I am again using red color. Here I am using deep pink color. And the last one I am using deep purple color. I will make the scooty as deep purple color. Wow, the scooty is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!